Hey guys, today we're going to do a real quick one, an appetizer or a party meal or just something on the side, maybe late night snack. And it is actually amazing, one of my favorite things right now to do. If you've got any leftover meat of any kind, taco meat, pulled pork, I've got pulled beef that I did the other day, and cut up some veggies of your favorite choice, your onion, your pepper. I got white onion, and red pepper. Shred your favorite cheese. Get yourself a pan. If you've got butcher paper, that's awesome. It just looks great. And then literally layer it a few times and then throw a little bit of seasoning on top. It's absolutely amazing. And then I cook it on my grill at about 350, 375, and like 15 minutes until the cheese melts. Then done deal. So I'm just gonna layer this bad boy up and then we're gonna take it out to the grill. All right, so this is just a real simple one, guys, and it is fabulous. It is just so, it gives it a little bit of a smoky flavor, and it is just fantastic stuff. And if you got jalapenos, obviously that's a must. Sadly, where I live, it's really hard to just grab a jalapeno somewhere, and this was not as planned as I would have liked it to have been. So I could have got some jalapenos, but I didn't. So it is what it is. And I like to layer mine, so do a layer of everything, season it just a little bit, and then we'll do the top layer. Cool. So let's get it off the grill, because if we don't, I'm just gonna have to eat it cold because it is tasty. All right, let's get this out to the grill. All right, so I've got my grill at 375, so I'm just gonna throw it on for 10 to 15 minutes. I'll check in about 10, and once that cheese is all melted, we are good to go. See you later. Literally 10 minutes and done, and it is amazing. And then if you don't want the hot rack, I love using this butcher paper for this exact reason. Just take it and throw it on your tray, throw it on the table, and it's literally ready to go. And it is amazing. Everything is cooked. It's nice and hot. The cheese is nice and stringy. It is perfect. I'm just gonna eat some here. Good stuff. Have a good one, guys.